So it's working. No, but this no. That's not a button.
It's a button.
No, it's not.
It is.
Inside there was no button. I'll show you the video. There's no button inside. Yeah, we have a timer. Digital timer. It's not coming on. So we're gonna take it apart and just share with everybody what's inside. Right. Let's take this apart and see what's going on over here. Let me see here on this pad. On there you can see the meter. The meter there, right? But you won't need the meter right away. So got my little electric screwdriver. That's one of those 3 points. I don't know what you call them. Funny looking screws. Let's tighten. So these things they say, see, we can show you guys what it looks like. Put my hand behind it. You see, it's not a Phillips. It's a little triangle thing, whatever. I don't know what you call that. So there you go. There's that one. There's that one. Doesn't want to come out. Okay, to full out now. Let's see, to full out. Doesn't want to come out now. Okay, right. Now we take these little tools that we've had to open the monitor and that. We're going to take it apart, so there's place to go in there. There, we open it. So let's see what's inside here. Your power comes in here. Live, neutral, your ground, earth, different names for different people call different things around the world. Okay. Did you live? Did you neutral from there? In any case, right, that's a relay. There's a relay that says L1 and C1 marked the same thing over there. This is L1, C1. Strange looking thing. Okay, there's diodes, there's that. We can check the diodes quickly. But it's not coming on at all. We have a lot of load shedding and things like that where the power utility can't keep the lights on. Let me see that. Yeah, you can see that, right. Can you see the meter? Yeah, you can see the meter. Let's check the diodes. Open. That's fine. Open. That's fine. Diode. It's open, it's fine. Diode and other way around, fine. Okay, so that's fine. Xenons are a bit more difficult to test. Depending what the value are, you'll just look at diode. You might get a reading depending on what else connected around caps and that. That looks fine. There's another Xenon there. Measuring something. See, that doesn't measure nothing. There, nothing the other way around. Maybe it wasn't making good contact there. Okay, that looks fine. There's another Xenon. There's a cap somewhere on the line. There's a cap somewhere. There are caps. Let's see what this gives us. Little transistor. There. Right. There was interruption. Somebody walked in the office. So let's get on. Right. There's a battery here. I don't know what this measure. Don't even know what it's supposed to be. Idiot. 0.8 1 volt. I'm sure it's below where it's supposed to be. 1.2. Huh? 1. It's a little bit flat, but it's not bad. There's not much more here to test. We'll see what's in there, so you guys can see that. We'll test what's in there. We'll take this board off. We'll see what's all going on over here. Right. Our little electric screwdriver. Nice little toy. No, what you guys can see. Oh, it's got the wrong bit in here. Okay, right. Change bits. Don't know why they supposed to be a safety bit, whatever, but one can buy them, so that doesn't quite make it that much of a safety bit, does it? Right, let's just take all these little screws out. And let's see what's going on at the bottom here. Is there anything else? Nope, that's it. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, if you enjoy this type of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you really feel passionate and like to do something else, you are welcome to buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. There's not much to test over here, so just don't even know that's a cap or that big long thing. Where's it over there? Between there and there. It says L1 and C1, so I don't know, it's probably a capacitor. Unless it's L1 for that, and the C1 is for that. Okay, let's take the whole thing apart. Take all those screws around the part. Let's get the tweezers, take them all out. Put them like in a semi-safe place. Okay, they aren't loose, completely loose yet. Okay, these little screws. Let's see what's coming out of here. Oh, this little display. There's your chip. There's your chip, your caps. It doesn't, whoever built this, whatever, not very clean. Either that or something got spilled in it. Oh, it might be something got, maybe not, I don't know. Well, only there. In any case, as a tip, if that thing's faulty, forget it, we're not changing that. We're not changing that. That's for the display. We get the display out. Show you guys one of these displays where it makes contact along the top there. So you put that down, you put the board on top of it, makes contact, and that's it. Nothing's working. This is more of a exploratory video to share for the inquisitive ones. So your time is here, your stuff is here, you program the stuff in here, and you guys saw what the front of it looks like. So that's it. I'm going to put it back together, just for the hell of it as well, for the fun of it. Let's get it all back together. Can we do that? We'll be able to do that. Yeah, there's clicks in there. Click, 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 click. Let's see if I can get a screw with the magnet. No, it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. I'll get it in, even without some hair around it, but in any case. Right, there's that. Why isn't this thing magnetic? Maybe it will help if I swap it over there. Yep, that helps. That helped. That's that. I don't think we fixed anything. These are some of those items that are, can't say unrepairable, right equipment, right motivation, one can do it, but it's not really cost effective. Is that. Okay, let's put this board back. Is that. Right, we're almost back together. Right, so we didn't achieve nothing, we didn't see nothing faulty. Everything that chip, it's finished. It's kaput. You're not going to revive it. Okay, there, where's the other two screws? There, here's the one. The other one's still in its hole. There's that, change the bits. There's that. There's this. Thing back together and going in the bin because it's irreparable. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. If you feel up to it, buy me coffee. Don't have to, but thanks. Cheers. So it's working. Did we fix it? No. I didn't. I just sort of not working. We took it apart. There's apparently but this no. That's not a button.
It's a button.
No, it's not.
It is.
Inside there was no button. I'll show you the video. There's no button inside. In any case, Reece says you push that. Unless you push this one, yeah. That one there or that one?
No, I took your screwdriver.
Oh, okay. So you push the screwdriver in there. So you push that, master clear, and the whole thing reset, and the whole thing is working. So I don't know. It's there you go, guys. Now you know what it looks like, and it's working. So did we fix anything? Probably not. I hope you've enjoyed it, and cheers.